and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. Once again, I'm in the Aygo Cross, Aygo X. And in this video, we're going to have a quick look at the stalks and see what functions the stalks have got on them. And we'll start on the left-hand side, which is lights, indicators and fog lights. Indicators is self-explanatory, left, right. If you pull it towards you, you flash your high beam. Then we've got the rotating part of the stalk on the end of the stalk, which corresponds to these three symbols here. You can't turn the lights off in this car, so I always leave them on automatic and let the car decide when to turn the lights on, when to turn them off. You'll quite often follow a car through a tunnel and you'll see the lights come on, tail lights, headlights automatically come out the other side. They don't need to be on, the car turns them off. But they do give you the option of just turning the side lights on or turning the headlights on manually. From there, you're in low beam now. If you push the stalk forward, that'll put you into high beam. And it's exactly the same on auto lights. They'll come on, high beam, low beam, flash. I just leave it in automatic lights. It's easier. You can't forget to turn them on when you come out of a petrol station at night, because you see that lots and lots. Well lit area, people get in the car, drive away, and don't realise until they're on a dark road, oh, I've got no lights on. Just leave them in auto. Moving further down the stalk, you've got another rotating section on the stalk, and that's for your front and rear fog lights, if your car's fitted with them. This one's fitted with fronts and rears, which correspond to these two symbols. Front fogs, and then you spin it round and the rear fogs come on. That stalk is a really easy stalk to use, very self-explanatory, and everybody knows how to use an indicator stalk. Let's move over to the right hand stalk, which is windscreen wipers, and this has multiple positions on it. I'll start from the outside. This section rotates and that controls the rear wiper. In this position, the wiper is off. In that position, it's an intermittent. In that position, it's on permanently. To fire the rear washer cleaning fluid, you push the stalk away and it fires the fluid. So that's that section covered. Then you'll see multiple symbols here. There's a little arrow, there's a neutral position, which is off, then auto, and then two variable speeds. If I flick the wiper, it's in the off position at the moment, wipers are not on. If I flick it up one position, it'll fire the wipers once. If I go down from the neutral position, it then corresponds to wipers being on an automatic system using the rain sensor up in this module here, and the wiper will come on and off as required. And that's where I tend to leave my wipers. But you do have the option of coming down one, and that's slow speed wipers, or going down another position, high speed wiper. How you set that up is dependent on you. To fire the front washers, you pull towards the steering wheel. It'll always fire the washer fluid first, and there's a slight delay before the wipers come on. So I'll show you. Fluid, then the wiper comes on. So to always make sure the screen is fully coated in washer fluid before off. So that's the two stalks covered. Indicator we've done. Washer wipers we've done. And once again, thank you for watching the video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing.